Hi, hello, good morning, students. Welcome to online classes for the academic year 2020-21. This is Pinnati Ramreddy, lecturer in English, Government Degree College, Mahbubabad, District Mahbubabad. Today our topic is communication skills. Out of for the communication skills, language skills. In the part of language skills, our session is jam session. Just a minute, a speaking session. A jam or just a minute speaking session is a way of getting people to speak without preparation about a topic. Participants are required to speak continuously for a minute without hesitation, repetition, or deviation on a topic given to them. See, dear students, this jam session, it is a just a minute session which is very much useful to the students because in their uh, the interviews or when they are facing the interview by the corporate companies or corporate sectors, they will conduct definitely the jam session to test you what the skills you are having, like the communication skills as well as the knowledge in grammatical part and the spoken language, and how you are speaking without hesitation. Are you getting any problem to speak, or are you repeating or deviating the topic? You will be assigned a topic and they will ask you to speak in a minute. You have to speak on the topic without any hesitation, without any grammatical mistake, without repetition the words, without deviation of the topic. You have to speak in a minute. That is called a jam, which is very much useful for the students. It will be tested by the corporate companies how much you are having the knowledge, skills, and everything. They often serve as a fun way to introduce people to one another. Through they will introduce the people in a fun way one to another. Recruiters may use just a minute speaking sessions, communication skills, creativity, and confidence. Why they will conduct this to test your communication skills and how much creativity you are having, and also how much confidence you are having. With how much confidence you are facing the interview, they will test you in all these areas. These sessions may also be used to test a person's ability to recall information, especially in high pressure situations which require quick thinking. Just a minute means it is a short term. In this short time, you have to think a lot, and you will get some pressure on you, and they will test you. If you get a high pressure on you while you are doing the job, how will you manage? They will test that in you. In JAM, a candidate is given a topic. He has to say something on the given topic for a minute. It is aimed at testing the quickness of the candidate in grasping and responding to a problem or a question. Both the quickness and depth of his knowledge are tested. As they say, as the saying goes, a grain of rice is enough to test whether it is boiled properly or not. See, in JAM, a candidate is given a topic. They will assign a topic in jam session. He has to say something on the given topic for a minute. On the given topic, they will allot a topic. On the allotted topic, they have to speak a minute. It is aimed at testing the quickness of the candidate in grasping and responding to a problem or question. Why they will do this one? How these students are responding, how they are having knowledge, how they are reacting. To get the information, to know about him, they will test this jam session. Both the quickness and depth of his knowledge are tested. While during this test, they will be tested the candidate, the quickness, quick response, as well as the depth of his knowledge in the topic. As the saying goes, like a grain of rice is enough to test whether it is boiled properly or not. See, while cooking in our house, our mother or our housewife, our madam, or our householders, what do? They will take a grain of rice and they will test it whether it is boiled or not. Like through the jam session, within a minute, they will test the candidate how much he is having the knowledge. How is it conducted? How the jam sessions are conducted? Several contemporary and relevant are written on pieces of paper and rolled up. In jam session, they will allow the topics and roll them and put in a box. All of them are placed together in a bowl, and each student is asked to pick up a role, and one by one they have to come and pick up a role, and they have to see their topic. They will be given only 2 minutes to organize their speech, which has to be delivered in just a minute. After taking that slip, they have to see what is their topic, and within the 2 minutes they have to recollect their knowledge on the topic. The main advantages or positive aspect of a jam session. The following are the main advantages or positive aspects of a jam session. See here we have some the positive aspects are the advantages of the jam session. What jam session makes the student, the candidate, what the benefits he is going to be getting. It builds self-confidence among the learners. The jam session, it builds the self-confidence among the learners. It helps the learners prepare to talk on any challenging topic, a hearted setting initially in the classroom. This jam session, it helps the learner to prepare to talk on any challenging topic. In the classroom he will be given a topic, and he will be asked to talk. So in the initial stage he will get some problem, but he can overcome the problems. It develops the learner's speaking ability to talk not only with his peers but also with others outside. This jam session in the classroom, while they are practicing, it develops the learner's speaking ability. The jam session will develop the learner's speaking ability to talk on not only with his friends, with his peer teams, as well as in outside with other peoples also. It leads the speakers to speak for more than a minute on the given task. While they practice, they will get more information. They can speak more than a minute. It encourages the learners to work in learner friendly atmosphere. This jam session will encourage the learner to work in learner friendly atmosphere. It helps the learners or use relevant vocabulary and grammatical structure in context. This jam session will help the candidates to use relevant vocabulary. Relevant vocabulary means which is relevant to the topic, to the situation, and grammatical structure in context. It leads the learners to work on their own without depending on the others. This jam session, it leads the learners to work on their own because they do the practice. Through the practice, they can get the knowledge and they can do the work on their own without depending on other people's. And it becomes a good practice for specific target language depending on the topic, such as family hobbies, sports, places visit in a city, buildings in a city, etc. It becomes a good practice for specific target language. Generally, specific target language means that the spoken language which we are using, and such as the topics such as family, hobbies, sports, places of visit in a city, buildings in a city means in a city buildings or any other buildings we can speak on the topics. For example, Charminar, Golconda, or if we come to Varangal, Thousand Pillars temples, or Fort Varangal, like we can speak. It is very good fluency practice game where it requires a quick recall of appropriate vocabulary, and it is very good fluency practice game where it requires a quick recall of appropriate vocabulary. Means through this jam session, it makes the candidate to become a fluency in the language, target language, and it makes him to use to get the recall of appropriate vocabulary as per the situation. It increases the learner's autonomy so that the learners can prepare their own speeches. Here, through this jam session, it will help the learners, and it makes the learner to autonomy means to independence, so that the learners can prepare their own speeches. He can get the knowledge with practice, and he can prepare on his own the speeches. It boosts the learners in using accurate and good vocabulary and grammatical structures if some extra or bonus points are given to the participants. This jam session, it boosts the learners in using accurate and good vocabulary and grammatical structures if some extra or bonus points are given to the participants while they are testing. If they use some the good vocabulary as well as the grammatical structures, they will get some extra points. The jam helps the learners correct or rectify their mistakes once their session is completed. Through the jam session, after completion of the session, they can rectify their mistakes where they did the mistakes. It helps the teachers prepare notes on the common mistakes made by the learners in the areas of grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation. While we are testing the students in the classroom, it helps the student teachers also to find out the mistakes which was done by the students while they are practicing, and rectify and make the students do without mistakes, mistakes the vocabulary, pronunciation, everything. It prepares the learners to face any kind of challenge they face in their lives. This jam session, it prepares the learners to face any kind of challenge they face in their lives, in their day-to-day lives. It helps the learners in giving presentation in meetings, seminars, workshops, conferences, etc. And also this jam session, it helps the learners to to give presentation in any meeting or seminars, workshops, conferences, etc. See, what the jam session makes the students, it avoids the shy and shame feelings from the students, from the learners. See, though they are pursuing degree, they get fear to come onto the dais, but when they participate in jam sessions, they will overcome all these fears and everything. It helps the learners in giving presentation in meeting, seminars. Okay, it helps the learners settle down in a good profession, and this jam session will help the learners to settle down in a good profession. It motivates the learners to lead their groups independently without the help of their teachers. While they are practicing in jam sessions again and again, this jam session motivates the learners to lead their groups independently without the help of their teachers. And this jam session leads the learners to increase their ability to spontaneous speech without any preparation or any notes. This again and again participating in jam sessions, it helps the trainers or the learners to increase their ability of spontaneous speech without any preparation or any notes. It helps the learners condense their complete essence precisely in minds and make them to speak out only the relevant information within the stipulated time, that is 1 minute. See, this jam session will help the learner to condense the irrelevant information and makes the precise and use which is useful for the moment, and useful information you can present within a minute, that is which is allotted to you the time. See, while preparing the learners for jam sessions, the teacher should take utmost care in selecting the topics. The teacher should always give performance to the learners' interests and the topics chosen for this purpose. The topics should be selected according to the needs and interests of the learners. When a topic is announced to the learners for a jam session, see, while we prepare the students, we have to assign the topics as per the interest of the students. In what area they have their own, they have the interest. If you give the the interested area to them, if you allot them, it will encourage the students and they will motivate and they will actively take to participate in the jam session. Do's in a jam session. What are the do's and what are the don'ts? Let us see. Do's in a jam session. The following are some of the do's that must be allowed by the candidate, those who are going to take the jam sessions. See, some do's are here. What are the do's they have to do? Explain the jam topic in a clear and simple language that all the learners can understand it. While the teacher is training the students, we have to explain very clearly in simple language to the learner to understand the topic. Next, put a nice smile on your face Always, actually, the teacher is an actor. He has to show the smile face always on his face, though he has a lot of problems in his personal, but he don't try to exhibit his problems, his personal problems. He has to be smile with the students, so he has to show the smile on his face. The teacher has to show the smile on his face, as there is a proverb, face is the index of mind. See, why we have to show the smile on our face, or a can that it is, the proverb is there, face is the index of mind. The what is the proverb? Face is the index of mind, means when they look at our face, they can understand in what condition we are. Like the candidate, while he is the teacher has to prepare the student, and the student, the learner, the candidate who is participating in a jam session, he has to be smile, show the smile on his face until the end of the 1 minute session. How long? Until the session is over. Begin with a thanking note. For giving the opportunity, like we have to say the thanks. Begin with a thanking note. Be confident while presenting the topic. Though you have so many seniors or anybody before you, but be confident while presenting the topic. Try to present the topic with brief details. Don't try to show more summary, just to try to give the brief in detail. Continue the speech by keeping your looks on the audience. While you are speaking, you look straightly to the audience. Don't look like upper or here to right side, left side, or to the right side, or just to the ground. Don't look like that. You have to look straightly to the audience. Make sure that there is no room for nervousness. See, first of all, that room is not to create the nervous. That thing you should remember. Follow the kiss. Kiss means, don't think in other way. Follow the kiss means keep it simple and straight rule. Kiss means keep it. K for keep, I for it, S for simple, and S for straight. Keep it simple, straight rule. Follow the kiss rule. Means you have to speak simply, straightly to the topic. Convey the message in a audible and much clear voice. Don't speak with murmur, with whisper. Your voice should be very clear. Have always a positive look. Always you have to speak and be with positive look. Make sure that the topic is not deviated. Don't go outside from the topic. Don't deviate from the topic. You have to speak in allotted topic, assigned topic. Deliver the presentation with apt vocabulary and correct grammatical structure of these sentences. They see, don't forget why they are conducting the jam session to you, to test you the vocabulary and the grammatical knowledge and communication skills and the time management. All the things they are trying to test in you. So you should remember that. Should remember that they are testing your vocabulary and grammatical structure. So you have to speak, you have to use the relevant vocabulary, you have to opt to the relevant vocabulary and use the correct grammatical structure of the sentences. Give brief details about past or present, future. You have to give the details about the past, present, future. Maintain the positive outlook throughout the session. Don't show or don't give any negative ideas or negative outlook. You give positive outlook. Definite the topic in a simple language. You use the simple language to express the topic. Concentrate more on choosing the topics. Try to choose topics related to the fields of politics, economics, social life, technology, language, law, and so on. So the relevant topics, which are burning topics, though among the burning topics, among the relevant topics, you have to choose one of them. Prepare the speech with a right beginning, as there is saying, a good beginning is half done. So you prepare your speech with right beginning, because the right beginning is often will be completed of your work. Continue with appropriate points and end with a good catching point. And also continue with appropriate points and end with a good catching point. So a good, there is a word, there is a sentence. A good beginning is often, that should keep in your mind. Continue your speech without longer pauses in between. So you speak continuously, but don't take any pauses longer between one sentence to another sentence. You follow the punctuations. Finish the session with a right conclusion, and try to conclude with the right conclusion. End your talk with a thanking note, and you have to say the thanks for giving this up a choice, or like you have to say the thanks to the hosting peoples. Now, don'ts in a jam session. What are the don'ts? Don't present the speech with grammatical mistakes. So there we discussed we should follow the grammatical structure. Here we don't follow the grammatical mistakes. Okay. Don't repeat the same vocabulary unless they are content words, pronouns, prepositions. See, while you are speaking, don't repeat the words again and again unless they are the content words like pronouns, prepositions, etc. Don't use the structural words with repetition. Don't give more gaps between words. To pass your 1 minute, don't give more pauses or more breaks. Don't try to beat around the bush and express your opinion straight away what you want to say. Don't push the information. You express straightly what you want to say in your opinion. Don't give too much long pauses. So you don't give them more breaks, long breaks. Don't take too much time to say a simple expression. To express a simple thing, don't take too much time. Don't bring your mother tongue in the middle of your speech. It means while you are speaking in English, don't use your mother tongue. Just you speak in the target language, in spoken language. Don't try to use bombastic or new words that you don't know. Try to maintain your complete speech with simple. You don't use the bombastic words or new words. Actually, you speak what the words you know, easy and clear English words that you know already. What you know the English words clearly, you try to speak them. Don't put any questions to the audience while you are speaking in a minute. Don't put any questions to the audience. Don't face the other side of the audience. You look straightly to the audience. You don't face to other side here and there. Keeping in view all the points in mind, the speaker should prepare well for his or her session and show his or her talent during the jam session. To make, the teacher has to make some useful vocabulary to the learners at the preliminary stage. Later on, he has to leave it to the learners so that they will select their own vocabulary and grammatical structures for this purpose. The jam session prepares the learners to be independent to prepare a speech or a small talk on the given topic. See, keeping in view all the points in mind, that the do's and don'ts, all those things you keep in your mind while you are preparing for the jam. The speaker should prepare well for his or her session and show his or her talent during the jam session. To make, the teacher has to make some useful vocabulary to the learners of the preliminary stage. So what the teacher has given the advice to you, you prepare with that vocabulary which is given by your teacher, and make the topics. Later on, he has to leave it to the learners so that they will select their own vocabulary. And okay, after that, with the help of the teacher presentation, the learner, means you have to prepare your own vocabulary and grammatical structure for this purpose, for the jam purpose. The jam session prepares the learners to be independent to prepare a speech or a small talk on the given topic. This jam session, it helps to prepare the learners to be independent. It makes the learners to be an independent, and it makes the learners to prepare a speech on their own or a small talk on the given topic. This may lead the learner to be more autonomous and even to prepare them deliver short speeches without any preparation. That is impromptu speeches, by leading the learners to their autonomy stage. The burden of the teacher slowly reduces and the learners can think and act independently. The learners should do more practice on some topics. There is saying practice makes a man perfect, and hence will improve and develop their oral communication skills, as it helps the learners give a talk with the utmost confidence and ease in a jam session. So this jam session, it leads the learner to be more autonomous and even to prepare them deliver short speeches without any preparation. With doing practice again and again, it will make the learner to be an independent and to be perfect in jam session. And with and also he will get some autonomy stage. Without teacher help, he can prepare. He can reduce the teacher's help in his preparation of the topic. The learner can prepare independently. He can present independently with practice. There is a quotation that practice makes a man perfect. When the learners do the practice regularly, it makes the learner practice makes a man perfect, and hence it will improve and develop their oral communication skills. The jam session, it will improve and develop their oral communication skills, as it helps the learners give a talk with utmost confidence and ease in a jam session. A person who participates frequently in a jam session, he will get the utmost confidence and easily he can speak with anybody. Now, tips to get ready, how to get ready for jam session. See, let us see. The moment you are given the piece of rolled paper, when you are given a rolled paper, stay calm, don't get there excited or anxious. Just be calm. Don't get any excited or anxious. Open your you are asked to. Sorry, open when you are asked to. Just when you pick up that rolled paper, you don't open your mouth. Just you open when you asked to speak. Organize your 2 minutes or what even time you are given for preparation. That information, that 1 minute you should organize in you how to use. Read the topic twice. The heading you have to read twice. Question the topic with 6 friends. You have to question the topic with your 6 friends. 6 friends here means here you will not be having the friends before you around you. The 6 friends are what, when, where, who, why, and how. On the topic you have to make a question with what, with the help of what, with the help of when, with the help of where, and with the help of who, why, and how. Then you will get a complete idea on the topic. Organize the answers you get on a questioning the topic with 6 friends in a logical sequential. When you make a question with the help of 6 friends, you will get 6 answers. You will organize the 6 answers in logical and sequential order, chronological and prioritized manner. Remember the keywords. What are the keywords you have to remember and memorize them? Presentation. Get up from your seat when you are asked to. Say after pick up your rolled paper, again you have to go your allotted seat and sit there. And when you ask you to speak, then you have to get up from your seat when you are asked to speak. Walk gently to the podium. With big confidence, you should walk to the podium. Wait for the timekeeper to give you the signal to speak, to comments. You have to wait till he asks you to speak. Deliver with confidence. While you are speaking, you deliver with confidence. Don't waste your precious moments in salutation formalities. Be brief. Means you don't take much time to salute or say salutation or formalities and other thing. Just you be brief. Check your speaking skills. Speech rate. Is it too fast or too slow? You have to check yourself. How you are speaking. Is it too fast or too slow? Enunciation, articulation. Do your mumble? Could you understand every word? What you are speaking, is it understood by other people's? Everybody, you try to understand. Tone, is your voice modulated, not a monotone? Means, is it audible and understandable? Pitch, is the sound or level of your voice comfortable, not too high or too low? Is it comfortable to the audience? Are you what you are using? Is it too high or too slow? You have to check yourself. Volume, too soft, too loud. Vary the volume for emphasis on important words. As per the situation, you have to just increase your volume and you have to decrease. You have to focus and or emphasize on important words. Breathing or praising. Do you breathe in the middle of a sentence, or your pause is too long? In a middle of sentence, if you take the breath, it will be, the pause will become too long. Habits. Do you say okay, ha, amo, etc.? And here the non-verbal factors also very important. While we are speaking, while we are communicating, the non-verbal part is very very important, because how much our verbal communication plays, that like the non-verbal also plays same equal to the verbal. Eye contact. Are you just looking at your notes, are you making contact with everyone? This is very very important. Are you looking at the audience or not? It will be understood by the people. Gestures, your movements of the body. Do your body gestures reinforce points, or are they distracting? Are they positive or negative? Your body also will given the signs to the audience, to the testers. Posture, good, bad, distracting. They will observe your posture. And movement, do you stay in one place, move or place? Is it helpful or distracting? That will be also understood by the interview committee. Facial expressions, do you show emotion at appropriate times? Means, as per the situation, our facial expressions also have to be changed. Are we changing or not? They will be observed it. Content, it should be, the content should be clarity. What we are giving, that should be clarity. Is the information presented clearly? Is the point of your speech easily understood? What you are presenting, it should be very clearly and it should be understood by the other peoples. Vocabulary, is your word choice appropriate for the intended audience? What the vocabulary you are chosen, is it intended to the audience or not? They will be tested. Organization, is the material well organized and flows smoothly? What you are using, the words, the vocabulary, is it organized in smoothly, in the meaningful order and smoothly or not? See what type of topics what is the scope to ask the topics. Let us see. Suggested topics for jam speaking sessions are like pocket money, communication skills, gender equality, philanthropy, match fixing, internet connectivity, space travel, global warming, social equality, social network, community work, job readiness, examinations, problem solving skills, consumerism. Like all the relevant and the burning topics, we have to prepare for the jam sessions. They will be also asking from that topics only. Okay, friends, thank you for your patience to listen this jam class, and be prepared for jam session. You are at a degree level. It will be helpful for you at the time of facing the interviews, and this jam session will prepare you to speak anywhere without any hesitation. Once again, I am reminding you, you have to do the practice through the jam session again and again. It will help you. Thank you, students. Let's meet again tomorrow morning by next class. Thank you once again.